What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about a few easy gift ideas for the car lover in your life. Also, if you're just looking for deals, this is a good opportunity to pick up some stuff at a good price. Now, I will say guys, if you didn't see my YouTube short that I posted yesterday evening, I am doing a huge giveaway starting now, running through pretty much all the way through December. My initial idea was to do a 12 days of Christmas, but basically 12 days of holidays. Whatever you celebrate, we're all included. So here we go guys, we are going to be starting off today's video by giving away some of the items that I have here. So what we're gonna do for this giveaway is every day that I post a video, I'll announce the giveaway, and then 48 hours after that, so 2 days after that, we'll announce the winner of that giveaway. But every day from here on until the 20th, 22nd, somewhere around there, I'm gonna be doing a new giveaway and then announcing 2 days after. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of these deals. All right, so easy gift idea number one is from Adams Polishes, and this is their easy giftable product here. It comes already in a box that looks like it's gift wrap. So fantastic deal here. This is their little holiday selection that they do a limited run every holiday. They have something and they do really cool colors, graphics, and scents to go along with whatever holiday. So on this one, we have a car shampoo. This is their basic car shampoo, but it works absolutely fantastic. I love Adams regular car shampoo. I also love their mega foam if you want a ton of foam. But this is a pH neutral soap, and the shampoo has a nice festive sugar cookie scent. Moving along from there, they have their detail spray. Again, this is a classic Adams product. Their detail spray works fantastic. It is just rebranded for the holidays. So this one is detail spray, and it is a gingerbread scent. Next up is their interior detailer. Same thing again, guys. This is the standard wonderful interior detailer that Adams has in their lineup, just guided to the holidays, and this one is a cinnamon scent. And last but not least, Tire Shine. This is a cranberry scent, again, for the holidays, so really cool. Along with that, guys, you also get a nice microfiber towel, and then, of course, trigger sprayers for the products that you need trigger sprayers with, and then a basic cap, dispersing cap for the items that you need that for. Now this holiday kit from Adams typically retails for $49.99, which if you were to piece everything out, it's actually a higher value than that, but they put it together for you for the holidays. And I just went on their website and it is currently on sale for $42.99. So fantastic choice there as a gift for someone in your life that likes to keep their car clean. Gift idea number two, available at Walmart. This is the Ultimate Wash and Wax Kit from Meguiar's, and it's a fantastic bundle. Every product in here works amazingly well. Right off the bat, guys, let me just bring it in close here for you. You got the Ultimate Wash and Wax, great product. Ultimate Quick Wax. I actually haven't used that a lot, so I can't be completely honest with that one. I don't know for sure, but I'm sure it works fantastic. Meguiar's makes great products. The Ultimate Quick Detailer, really, really fantastic. Hot Rims Wheel and Tire Cleaner works amazingly well. It's a great product. I did a whole video on a bunch of the different Hot Wheels products from Meguiar's, and Hot Rims Wheel and Tire is really, really good. They also have Quick Interior Detail Cleaner, and then finally, Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. Now they do typically kind of adjust the sizes a little bit for these kits from Meguiar's and things like that that are available at Walmart. So this is a variation of 16 ounce and 24 ounce bottles. And this thing retails for $29.97, I believe. So 30 bucks, you get 6 items. Again, easy to wrap, very, very good gift idea. Now next up is going to be something that I just covered in a previous video yesterday, and this is Glove Box. This is a monthly subscription box, fantastic products. You give you a bunch of stuff on a monthly basis, curated packages, so you can continually try new things and really kind of dial in your detailing. Right now they have a special code with me. It's just JOSH30. It'll get you 30% off your first month's box. They usually retail for $34.99, so it brings down to like just under 25 bucks, I believe. Fantastic option here as well, guys. If you haven't seen the video I did unboxing this, the December box, I'll link it up here for you guys so you can check that out. Now, outside of the chemical side of things, I have 2 more items that I think are just staples that I personally leave in all of my cars. I have one in each of my cars because it's they've saved me so many times. Number one is a little tire inflator. These things are fantastic. This one's from Fantic. I use these all the time. This is the brand that I use, but there's a bunch of other brands you can find on Amazon. I'll link all this stuff down in the description for you guys so you can find it easily. But this thing is awesome. You just turn it on. this will come up here, and there's actually a flashlight on the top and all that kind of good stuff. But basically, this just has this little connector here. You screw it onto your valve stem, and it'll immediately tell you what your PSI is currently, and then whatever PSI you want it to be, you can move up and down, right? If you want your tires at 30 PSI and say it's only at 26, move it to 30, push the button, fires on, and then when it gets to the PSI that you want it to, shuts off and you're good to go. Really, really cool. Again, especially going into the winter months, the temperature cools down, the air in the tires kind of fluctuates. I hate having a little TPMS sensor on my dash. This thing is fantastic. And finally, for the final item, this one again is from Fantic, but again, there's others available. I just really like this one. And this is a battery jumper. Fantastic. This thing has saved me so many times where if you accidentally leave your lights on, your battery's dead. Again, really hot weather and really cold weather kind of wreaks havoc on your battery a little bit, and it can die a little bit faster if it's already not you know, at its optimal performance. And having these guys, you just plug it in, you connect the jumper cables to the little power unit, hook them up to the battery. This thing will say ready when it's ready to be jumped. Start the car, no problem, disconnect them, and it's good to go. This thing holds a charge for a super long time, so you can just leave it in the car and you'll be covered. Okay, so to start off this giveaway series, right, for the holidays, I'm gonna start off pretty good. We're gonna be giving away the Adams gift box, the Meguiar's gift box, and 1 month, the December box from Glovebox. So it's over $100 of value here, guys, I'm giving away for free. All you have to do in order to enter to win is you have to be based in the US for my shipping purposes, so I apologize to anybody outside of the US, but it's just, it is what it is, right? So if you're in the US, make sure you're subscribed to the channel already and comment down below. That's all you really need to do. I'm gonna select a winner from the comments. I'll basically create an Excel document numbered with the person's name, and then we will do a random generator to see who the winner is. And that's all we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna keep it really, really simple. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I would appreciate it if you go follow me over there as well. I always put up some random content on there that I think is beneficial as well. So please do that, but in order to win, you don't need to have an Instagram account. I get some people don't want one, so we'll keep it simple and just keep it to the comments on YouTube. But that's it for today's video, guys. Go ahead and make your comments. I'll be announcing the winner of this giveaway in 2 days. And tomorrow, make sure you subscribe because we have another giveaway that we'll be announcing which products they are. I have over $1,000 worth of product to give away easily, possibly more than that. So actually maybe thousands. I don't know the exact amount. Definitely over 1,000, less than 5,000, I don't know, it's somewhere in there, but that's it for today's video, guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.